Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and I'm going to give you an overview of arguably the most over-the-top, does everything you can possibly imagine gaming keyboard by this company, Machenike. This company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a review? No way whatsoever would it be provided to me affect my review. This is the Pro model. I have never seen anything like this, especially with this digital display. I'll explain this a little bit more in detail because this can be fully customizable. Very, very cool. Now, this is what it looks like. Some cool things that come with it. You do have a pack of stickers from the brand. Very, very cool. And this can be connected via a Bluetooth dongle. So this would be plug into your PC or a gaming system. So you would plug this into your device and you would switch the mode from wireless to wired. Either way you're going to go. To maximize your battery life, you would want to have it plugged in. It does come with a 4,000 milliamp battery, which is pretty long. This does come with some spare buttons that you can take out. What's really cool about this is that these keys come out. So they come out with the tool that's provided. And so these are fully customizable. The company offers a lot of different types of key color combinations. So you can really customize this very, very quick tool. Pop them out as you just saw there. There's some preset color combinations that come with this. So there's all these different keys. For example, F delete allows you to highlight this and really change a whole array of different color combinations. You can change the brightness, you can change, pretty much a lot of customizable features on how it's going to illuminate, which makes it pretty cool to use. From a volume standpoint, it comes with a built-in knob. So this is your volume, and you can adjust it up or down, and with the press of a button, you can go ahead and mute it. You also have the option of toggling between different windows on your PC. With a click of a button, you can switch between Windows or Mac as far as your configuration and the computer that you are connecting to. Now, for a full custom setup, you can connect this to your computer and download the custom drivers, and it allows you to come in here and use either pre-selected items. So you can see here, the digital display up here is changing. Or you can really create your own, so this is just, so you can see here, here's a heart setup. You can have music. And so when you're playing music through your computer, this will adapt to what you have playing on the screen. That is very, very cool. There's just a ton of custom settings that are in here that really make this just not only fun, but it allows you to really make it your own. So it can add to the personalization, if you will, when it comes to your setup. Here's some music configurations over here on the left. We have different colors, lighting, and you can see here on the screen as I move the mouse around, the different colors of the screen is changing. Probably one of the coolest things about this is you can come in and design your own script for the very top here. So this is just something playing around. I hit save, and now my keyboard has what I have here. So you can really customize this and make it personal while also having all these very cool presets that are in here. Now, one thing to compare, so if you were to compare this to, let's just say, another gaming type LED keyboard, some things to note. So this is a different mechanical keyboard, and if you listen to it, this is the space bar. So this is more of a higher click sound. This is a lower. And from an ease of use, this version doesn't allow you to pull keys out and rearrange them and totally customize it. And there's just, you don't have the LED board, and it's much larger. So here we're operating in a much tighter space. You do have the volume control here on the left. You don't have it here. Combining the L8 Pro machenike mouse with KT68 Pro mechanical keyboard is really going to give you the full experience. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have about this KT68 Pro mechanical keyboard, and we'll talk to you soon.